You need to cut off the breaker first. You need to remove the old light. And then you need to make sure, even though you cut off the breaker, just double check. Make sure there's no power. And you take this off. And double check. Make sure it's not live. That's the ground, that's the neutral wire, that's the power wire. But that's good. You just tie this up, white to white, black to black. Black is the power wire and white is the neutral wire. And as you can see, there's a ground right here. You don't have to worry about that. If there's no ground for the wire to ground this off, it'll be okay. It's still gonna work. So you just tuck that brown wire in somewhere. I got this connected, and I gotta put this wire nut on. Now before you install these, I would recommend test it out first before you mount it on. Now I gotta flip the breaker, make sure the lights are working. We got power. Now I gotta go back to the breaker and then cut the power off before I reinstall this right here. The breaker is on. Now it's working. All done.